Hey guys, this is Krish here, and today we'll learn how to start coding in Python. So let's get started. But first we need to understand what is a computer program. A computer program is a set of instructions which tells the computer what to do. Without a computer program, the computer cannot do anything. It is just a dumb machine. But how do we write a computer program and make the computer understand what we want it to do? We need a language that the computer can understand. These languages are called programming languages. Just like us humans communicate using languages like English, Hindi, Spanish, we communicate with computers using programming languages like BASIC, Python, C, C++, Java. Just like a language like English has a vocabulary, list of words, and grammar, programming languages have commands and syntax. We will now look at a programming language called Python and write our first program. Python is a high-level programming language that is powerful yet easy to use and understand. We will use Python for programming our Raspberry Pi. We will now look at our first Python program. The command tells the computer to print "Hello, Krish" on the screen. Here, print is the command which tells the computer to print on the screen. Here, "Hello Krish" is the parameter to pass the command. The way the whole thing above is written because of the syntax. Parameters are passed within parentheses to a command. To a command. Let's see how to run this on our Raspberry. An IDE is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. Thonny IDE. Thonny is a Python IDE integrated development environment, bundled with the latest version of the Raspbian. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and like for more, please. Okay.
Okay. Already.
Okay.
Hey man, come on, do it.